Tired of slow and complicated ways to send money to your loved ones in the Philippines? Let's dive right into how to instantly send money from Wise to GCash. First, open your Wise app or log into the Wise website. Make sure you have sufficient funds in your Wise account. Tap the Send Money button. This will initiate a new transfer. Next, you'll need to enter the recipient's details. Choose Philippines as the country you're sending to, then select GCash as the recipient's account type. Carefully enter the recipient's GCash number, making sure it's correct to avoid any delays or issues. Double-check this. Very important. Now, enter the amount you want to send in your preferred currency. Wise will automatically convert it to Philippine pesos. You'll see a breakdown of the exchange rate and the fees associated with the transfer. Wise is known for its transparent fees, so you know exactly what you're paying. Take a look. Review all the details of your transfer one last time. Make sure everything is accurate, including the GCash number and the amount. Once you're happy, tap the Confirm and Send button. You might be asked to verify the transfer with your Wise account password or through two-factor authentication. And that's it. The money should arrive in the recipient's GCash wallet almost instantly. They'll receive a notification from GCash confirming the deposit. Enjoy sending money instantly from Wise to GCash.